Hello everyone. IPOs and spin-offs provide opportunity to investors to participate in companies which may have significant growth potential or in companies which have relatively established business line. Investments in such new listings may or may not deliver expected returns and carry reasonable risk. With Mirae Asset BSE Select IPO ETF and Mirae Asset BSE Select IPO ETF Fund of Fund, we aim to provide a more structured, disciplined and diversified approach to take exposure in new companies post-listing. By tracking the newly launched BSE Select IPO Index, these schemes aim to provide investors with a method-driven approach for gaining exposure to recently listed IPOs and spin-off companies which fall within top 500 companies by market cap on BSE. Thus, there will be no exposure to microcap or SME IPOs and spin-off entities. New listings will be considered for inclusion after 3 months of listing, thus seeking to avoid initial volatility. Stock capping of 5% will be applied to ensure diversification and reduce stock-specific risk. New listings will remain in the index for 5 years from the date of listing, allowing index to capture short to medium-term growth trend. By leveraging a passive investment strategy, these schemes offer a transparent and cost-efficient way to gain exposure in new listings without the complexity of actively tracking individual offerings. The quarterly rebalancing mechanism will aim to ensure that the portfolio remains aligned with evolving market trends and captures new listings. As companies across market cap, across industries like fintech, auto, e-commerce, healthcare, new age businesses, etc. continues to go public and access to these IPOs has become difficult due to huge size of oversubscription, investors now have an efficient tool to participate in the growth story of new listings. With a differentiated portfolio, the BSE IPO Select Index has outperformed broad-based peers, generating a 5-year CAGR return of 19.3% versus 15.8% of Nifty 50 and 18.2% of Nifty 500 index as on January 31st, 2025. In last 7 calendar years, it has outperformed Nifty 50 in 5 calendar years, where it has generated outperformance of 23.8% in 2024 and 16.7% in 2023, but it has underperformed Nifty 50 by 17% in 2022. Hence, investors should remember that while there is a wealth creation opportunity, the risk and volatility may continue to remain high in these new listings. With this offering, Mirae Asset is providing a fund route to take exposure in IPOs and spin-offs in a diversified manner. Though this helps in risk mitigation and targets growth potential post-listing, one should expect higher volatility. Investors should assess their risk profile and investment objective before investing. The new fund offer for Mirae Asset BSE Select IPO ETF opened for subscription on February 24, 2025 and closed on March 5th, 2025. Concurrently, the Mirae Asset BSE Select IPO ETF Fund of Fund opened for subscription on February 25, 2025 and closed on March 11, 2025. Please visit our website or reach us out via our social media handles for further details. Thank you for watching this video.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.